Hey, well, my name's David Aaron Grigg at Airhead Boone YouTube. I have a plan. Everybody asking for a plan. Everybody's comparing plans. I have a plan to overlap the current tax system for a period of a phase out, to have the individual reinforcement of civil rights reinforcement, the Independent Citizens Reinforcement Act, and the Preservation of Town, County, State, and Federal Government Preservation Act. And there's another one we'll get to in a minute, but those two, and a plan to move intellectual technology and patent rights into the public domain to treat our communicable ailments, and to make education more affordable and accessible, to bring us together with a mass transit platform that promotes exploration, and green platforms for excreting rigid materials into the growth sector platforms, which will be orbit or space. I'm shooting big with a space station as a big round cylindrical object that is just like that we hear about, that has magnetic docking abilities for other cargo. Will come in and grab into the magnetic field and just go around it, and that will be done with fluid and electricity and mass turbines, just big old flywheels, wind up clock, however you want to see it, with a lot of high tech magnetism to it, which very easy. It's just, we got to get back to the principle of the wheel in space, because you take a wheel in space and spin it, what's going to stop it? Okay, then we can pull a little current off that as we keep it going. We're the best battery source for should be able to set a big old clock once a day to give us energy. Now, we got to get up there greenly without all these rockets and combustion. We're going to phase out cars. That's going to help us. But an all-out sustainability of any platform in space, other than I'm not a big fan of people going out and retrieving dust and particles from outside of our environment and bringing them back to Earth. I'm not a very big fan of that at all. But what we can do is make a facility in the sterile vacuum of space to analyze and facilitate our scientific exploration. And we need to do that on a grand scale. We need to have a sanitation place up there where we can do some work. We need to start putting our robots to work on Mars. We don't have to go to Mars until we have a suitable, sustainable platform built on Mars. And we all need to be part of it.